Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to create a TikTok feed in Mirror app and embed it on a Framer website so you can add fresh content to your site in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Create your widget. Start by opening the Mirror app website. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Choose TikTok feed from the widget option. Step 2. Customize the design. Select the source you want to connect and go to the Design section to edit what you want to display on your website. Once your feed is connected, you can customize how it looks. Adjust the layout, card style, spacing, and other design settings to match your website. When everything looks right, click the Publish button and copy the installation code in just one click. Step 3. Add it to Framer. Now let's go to your Framer dashboard and open the website where you want to add the widget. On the page where you want your feed to appear, click the plus button at the top of the screen. In the left panel under Utilities, select Embed. Then, in the right panel under the Embed settings, choose HTML and paste the Mirror app embed code you copied earlier. Drag and place the feed wherever you want it to appear on the page. You can also adjust the size of the widget to fit your layout. Finally, publish your website to make the changes live. Done! Your TikTok widget will now appear on your website. For more information, visit our Help Center and explore the links in the description.